How to close Saxo Bank account. Saxo Bank is a Danish investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services, offering access to global financial markets through its platforms for stocks, forex, commodities, and other assets. To close Saxo account, go to this link. To close Saxo Trader Go, click on this. To close Saxo Investor, click here. To close Saxo Trader Pro account, click on Account symbol, then Request Account Services, then Close My Account. To close sub-account, click on Portfolio. Select a currency account that needs to be closed. Click on Thread. Select Close this account. That's it. Thanks for watching.